Hey guys, we received this handheld game for kids, preloaded with 220 retro video games and a portable gaming player with a rechargeable battery. So this have a 3-inch LCD screen and really nice mini arcade games for the kids. So comes in this nice box. So let me just take out things. So basically it have a game console, a charging cable and a manual. So this is the game console. So small handheld game. So this was protective covering and sheet, so I can show you the resolution and everything for the game console. So this also have this small stand that you can use if you want it on the table, and this also have like this battery inside and the on and off switch, charging cable. So here you can have the charging cable and the volume control button on the side, so you can control the voice thing. So let me just start this. So here you can see like there are many games that you can play. So once you have charged completely, you can do that. And the size is around 5.9 inches by 2.8 by 0.7. So it's good for the small hands, but I'm just showing you the test and try thing. So no issue with playing the games as I can see and feel. So these are like the retro games that comes with it. So you don't have to install any other game. So there are some funs like the boxing, car racing, or any other small games in here. And the LCD screen is good as well to watch that. So overall, it's a nice experience and a fun thing to play. It's good to give as a gift. And you can also control this, voice on the side and all these buttons and stuff. So here, like the choices of the games. So it have all type of games. So let's say like the bowling, you can just choose and then play. So overall, I will say it's a nice small game thing for the kids or as a small gift for the kids and so that they can have fun or you can take it anywhere also because you have the rechargeable battery. You can charge it and take with some fun. So nice console and nice gaming thing or a gift for the kid. You can also use this stand to just put it there. So nice game console for the kids.